In this video, I'll show you how to remove the watermark from your CapCut videos. If you've noticed the watermark when exporting your projects and want to remove it, this guide is for you. Just follow these easy steps and you'll be able to do it in no time. First, open the CapCut app and load the project from which you want to remove the watermark. As you can see here, I already have my project open. Now, in the top right corner, you'll see the 1080p option along with the export button. If you want to remove the watermark, don't export just yet. Tap on the 1080p option first. This will take you to a new screen where you'll see several settings. Here you can adjust options like resolution, frame rate, optical flow, and more. Toward the bottom, you'll find the option labeled Watermark. Tap on the Watermark option. By default, the watermark is visible, but you can also adjust its position if you like. To remove it, simply tap on the Hidden option. The watermark will now be hidden, and it's completely free to do so. Wait for a moment, and once it's done, your watermark will no longer appear. And now when you export your project, the watermark won't be there. And that's how you remove the watermark from CapCut. I hope this helps. If it did, consider subscribing my channel. It really supports me. Thanks for watching.